Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about Kotlin syntax. Kotlin syntax is the way that we are writing code in Kotlin, which will be different than any other programming language like Java, C++ or Python. So we will see how we can avoid from boilerplate codes to achieve the same functionalities that we are going to achieve with any other programming language like C++, which will be so much lengthy than Kotlin. So let's see. In here main function, which is the entry point of every Kotlin program, and every Kotlin program will start executing from main function. As you can see in here, fan keyword is required to declare a function in Kotlin. So fan keyword with main with parentheses will declare a main function for us, and inside curly braces I will write my code. In here I have print a simple hello Kotlin with println function. So this is the entry point of our code, and I have executed the println. In here we can see how we can declare a variable in Kotlin, which is different than other programming language. We are using val keyword for declaring variable, immutable variables, and the name of our variable, which is name, and then explicitly I have declared it as type, which is a string, and assigned the value, which is John, inside of the name. And in here another keyword is var keyword, which is the mutable variables, for declaring mutable variables to change its value later on. So the name of our variable, which is age, and the type that I have explicitly assigned, the type of variable, which is int. I have assigned 25 inside of age variable that I have declared. And in here, as you can see, I can change the value of age variable because I have used from var keyword. But for name variable I cannot do that because I have used from val keyword. It would not be possible to change the value of name variable in the next line, but for age variable I can do that because I have used from var keyword. And 25 will be 26 if we print its value in next line. In here the data types, as you can see, it is differences. We are declaring int data type with I in capital, and the double is D in capital, boolean B in capital, and so on. All of them are different than other programming language. And we are having the explicitly way of declaring variable that you can see in here. This is the explicitly way of declaring variables. So in demo section we are going to discuss about all of them with examples and to clear more about Kotlin syntax. See you in the demo section. Now in practical demo of our video, I am going to create a new project to show you some examples related to Kotlin syntax. So I will select my language as Kotlin and I will name my language. Now in practical demo of our video, I am going to create a new project to show you some examples related to Kotlin syntax. So what you can do is you can select your language as Kotlin and name your project in here. I have already created a new project, syntax Kotlin, in here. So the first thing that I can do is I will use the fan keyword in here and main to declare my main function, as I have already discussed about it. Main function is the entry point of every Kotlin program, and each and every Kotlin programs are getting executed from main function. Now in here I am going to write some code to print a hello world only, that to show you how we can execute our code inside of main function. So in here, first thing I can do is I am using from print ln function to add a new line as well. So, and inside of double quote I will write hello world. So in here what it can do is the first thing that it will get started from main function, and it will execute print print function, and it will show hello world in console for us. So we will run our program and see the first thing that we can do inside main function. So as you can see in here, hello world is printed inside our console. It is getting executed inside main function, and it is entry point of our Kotlin program. So in here I will declare some variables to show you how we can declare variable in Kotlin and in how many ways we can have variable in Kotlin. So the two keywords that we are going to use in Kotlin to declare variables, to declare changeable or updatable variable or non-changeable variables. The val keyword that we cannot change value in later or in next line. So in here the val keyword and the name of our variable, I can say my name, and if I want to declare its type explicitly, it will be a string. So its type is a string. The sequence of character will be its type will be a string, and inside double quote I will declare its value, which is the name of someone like Bahman. So this Bahman will be assigned or stored inside my name, and it will be stored in our memory. So the next keyword is var keyword and my last name. I will declare the variable name as last name. So its type is also a string, and inside double quote I will write its value. So as you can see in here, this value is assigned or stored inside of my last name variable. These are two keywords that we are using to declare our variables. The third way that we are having to declare our variable is without using its type, and simply the efficiency of Kotlin programming language that we are using from less code to declare variable var, and the name of our variable, which will be suppose age, and it is value is 25 suppose. So as you can see in here, I have not declared its type, and it will be the responsibility of our compiler to recognize it is type. So it will be in compilation time, and these are the three ways that we are declaring our variables, and we will see the difference between val and var in here. So if I change the value of our my name variable, my name, its value to suppose Behroz, as you can see we are not able to do that because val cannot be reassigned, because this is not changeable. This keyword, if we use val keyword, it will not be changeable. It is the difference between Kotlin programming language and other programming language that we are having these keywords. But if I use var keyword instead of val keyword, we can do that. As you can see, the error has gone and we can execute our program. So let's print our variables to see its values on console. You can see in here, first is my name. Okay, my name is, so $, and my name variable we have to write in here. So the first print will be printing our name in here, the first value that we are having for variable my name. It will be printed inside our console. As you can see in here, Behroz is printed inside our console. We have updated its value in here because I have used from var keyword instead of val. And this is the difference between Kotlin and other programming languages, that we are having these keywords, and the way that we are declaring our variable is different in here, as we have explicitly declaring our variable, and we can print other variables also in here. My last name is my last name variable. As you can see in here, I will run the program and show you. Yes, the last name is also printed in our console, as you can see in here. Yeah, the third thing, I will print the age variable, print my ages and age variable. So as you can see in here, Yes, my age is 25. In other programming language, the print function is also different. In C++, we have cout, and in Java programming language, we have system.out.println, so much long. So in here, it is the difference as well. We will see some data types in here, how many data types we have and how many of them will be different than other programming languages. So in here I will declare another variable var and the name of our variable will be country, and its type is, as you can see, a string that we have already used S as the in capital letter. So we can declare our variable country Germany. So this value is assigned inside country, and this is the data type that we have S in capital letter. We have, suppose, Boolean data type var is Kotlin fan, and I will use from Boolean data type, so true. The Boolean data type, either its value will be true or false. As you can see in here, I have assigned as true. So the B is in capital letter. So all the data types that we are having in Kotlin programming language, it will be sorted by capital letter. In other programming languages like C++, we have in a small letter, or this is the difference between them. So let's print them also. My country is, and the variable country, another, the Kotlin is Kotlin fan. Now we will run our program and see the difference. Yes, these two variables also, by showing data type that I have shown you in here, that we are having data types differently than other programming language. In here, Boolean and a string. We have other data types like character, and we can use them as well. So this was all about syntax in Kotlin. I have shown you different examples and how we are having our code, how we can write our code in Kotlin. So the main function, and I have declared variables with keywords that they are var and val, and different data types I have used from. So this was all about Kotlin syntax. I have shown you the different examples, how we can declare main function, different variables and data types, and I have shown all outputs in console. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.